Prime Minister Narendra Modi is on the final leg of his three-nation tour after visits to Jordan and Ethiopia. He arrived in Oman's capital Muscat on Wednesday evening for a two-day visit marking a key moment in India-Oman ties as the two countries celebrate 70 years of diplomatic relations. Prime Minister Modi met with Oman's Sultan. He also addressed the India-Oman Business Summit, where he hails the growing trade partnership between the two countries.
आप भारत और ओमान के बिजनेस हमारे ट्रेड को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। आप उस विरासत के वारिस हैं जिसका सदियों का एक समृद्ध इतिहास रहा है। कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव इकोनॉमिक पार्टनरशिप एग्रीमेंट यानी सीपा हमारी पार्टनरशिप को 21वीं सेंचुरी में नया विश्वास, नई ऊर्जा से भर देगा।
The Prime Minister also interacted with students and members of the Indian community.
आज हम एक फैमिली की तरह इकट्ठे हुए हैं। आज हम अपने देश को, अपनी टीम इंडिया को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं। साथियों, भारत में हमारी डायवर्सिटी हमारी संस्कृति का मजबूत आधार है। हमारे लिए हर दिन एक नया रंग लेकर के आता है। हर मौसम एक नया उत्सव बन जाता है। हर परंपरा एक नई सोच के साथ आती है। और यही कारण है कि हम भारतीय कहीं भी जाएं, कहीं भी रहें, हम डायवर्सिटी का सम्मान करते हैं। यहां के भारतीय स्कूलों में करीब 46,000 स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं। इसमें ओमान में रहने वाले अन्य समुदायों को भी हजारों बच्चे शामिल हैं। ओमान में भारतीय शिक्षा के 50 वर्ष पूरे हो रहे हैं।
Prime Minister Modi arrived in Muscat to a red carpet welcome at the airport. He was received by Oman's Deputy Prime Minister for Defence Affairs and accorded a ceremonial welcome. Following the welcome, Prime Minister Modi held discussions with Oman's Deputy Prime Minister for Defence Affairs. The talks focused on strengthening cooperation and advancing the broader strategic partnership between India and Oman. Then later in the evening, the Prime Minister was welcomed at his hotel by members of the Indian community. The reception featured traditional Indian cultural performances, Bollywood-style dance presentations and Omani music and dance reflecting the shared culture bonds between the two countries. Prime Minister Modi interacted with the gathering, shaking hands as people waved Indian flags with many dressed in traditional Indian attire. The Indian leader also attended the official dinner banquet hosted by Oman's Deputy Minister for Defence Affairs. Prime Minister Modi thanked Oman's leadership for the warm welcome in a post on social media platform X. He described Oman as a land of enduring friendship with deep historical ties to India. The Prime Minister echoed the same sentiment in Oman.
हमारा रिश्ता ट्रस्ट की नींव पर बना, फ्रेंडशिप की ताकत से आगे बढ़ा और समय के साथ और गहराता चला गया। आज हमारे डिप्लोमेटिक रिश्ते भी 70 इयर्स के हो गए हैं। ये सिर्फ 70 वर्ष का उत्सव नहीं है, ये वो पड़ाव है जहां से हमें अपनी सदियों की विरासत को एक समृद्ध भविष्य की तरफ ले जाना है।
Alongside the Prime Minister's visit, India's Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal met Oman's Minister of Commerce, Industry and Investment Promotion. The talks focused on boosting trade and investment ties on behalf of Prime Minister Modi. He also set to sign free trade agreement with Oman, with several key agreements across sectors such as trade, investment, energy, defense, technology, agriculture, culture and people-to-people ties. India currently remains Oman's third largest trading partner, adding economic weight to a visit that blends history, diplomacy and future-focused cooperation.
I was born into privilege, but I sold myself as the voice of the poor. I led a revolution in the mountains and marched into Havana as a hero. I promised freedom, equality, dignity. What I built was a one-party state. I survived invasions, embargoes, and enemies, but my people survived shortages in silence. Some called me El Comandante. History calls me something else. A dictator. Who am I?